One of my favorite activities is to teach live online cooking classes. It is a perfect opportunity to modify my kitchen into the studio and then share with you, people from all around the United States and Canada, the love for cooking. So today I want to show you how class like that works. About a week before each class, you are going to receive a preparation sheet which includes which ingredients, tools and steps needs to be prepared prior to class. On the day of class, you will have a chance to cook side by side with me in the real time. With my multi-camera system, I can provide amazing experience and show you my work from all sorts of angles. How much you decide to participate, it's totally up to you. You can just simply stay muted and off the camera and enjoy the show, or you can show me your progress and ask questions in real time. Anyone who signs up will receive recording of the class. That's a perfect way to rewatch any part of the class in the future. And those who miss the live streaming can at least rewatch entire class.